Welcome to my channel once again. Today, I want to talk about something simple but heavy. Words. We're talking about words. The power of words. Words are not just sound, they are seed. Yes. Very importantly, we must know that words are not just the sounds. Words are seed. Words are spirit. The When you speak to someone, you plant something every single time you speak to someone. We've all heard the phrase, stick and stones will break my bones, but words will never hurt me. But let me be honest, that's one of the biggest lies we ever taught. Biggest lie ever. Words do hurt, sometimes worse than physical ones, because why a bruise fades, a word spoken in anger, in judgment, in cruelty can echo in someone's mind for a lifetime. I still remember a young girl I met, quite gentle and very kind. When I asked her why she always looked down, rather, I beg your pardon. That's what she said. Oh, she said, because my father told me I talked so much and sound stupid. That was 5 years ago. But these words, oh, the girl still lives with it. Oh my God. But those words were still living inside that girl, eating her on a daily basis, eating up her confidence, her self-worth, and her self-esteem. So be mindful of your words. What you say can make or mar someone's life and their entire destiny. Oh, good God. What can heal? What can uplift? What can save? Hmm. A man standing at the edge of giving up can be pulled back with just one sentence, just one word. Just one word. That's how powerful words are. Words are like keys. They can unlock someone's heart or trap it in darkness. Oh, make up, make up your mind today, people. Hmm? To speak words, positive words, good words, words of encouragement. Yes, words that will build confidence in that individual. Do not use your mouth to cause them discomfort, to tear them down or gossip them. Rather, use your mouth to build them up, to guide them. Because every time you speak, you are either planting hope or hurt. Think about these words you say. Think about the words you say, people. Hmm? Think about the words you say to children, to your partner, to strangers, even online. These are very important. Oftentimes, people don't take this seriously. But I tell you, even with kids at home, oh, because these ones are little children, what can they do to me? You open your mouth and speak to them anyhow. That's very wrong of you. You are destroying a destiny. Today, friends, make up your mind to build lives, knowing that your words can make or destroy lives. Won't you rather choose to build a life? Hmm. I want you to live with this word for the rest of your life. Let's be people who use our voices to speak life, not death. Let's be kind of people whose words are remembered not because they are loud, but because they are kind. Let the world change because of you. And if you cannot change your world, change yourself. And when you change yourself and you change the next person to you, the next person change the next person to them, the world, the entire world will be changed. Because Because at the end of the day, words shapes people, and people shape the world. Thank you for listening. Thank you. God bless you all.